Microwave drawer and undercounter oven layouts transform large family kitchens by freeing counter space and improving ergonomic access for multiple users. Place a microwave drawer in the island to keep work surfaces clear and allow access from both sides, and orient the drawer at a comfortable knee to waist height so adults and older children can reach without lifting. Consider a compact speed oven under counter as an alternative to a full oven when you need rapid cooking and broiling in a small footprint. These units often combine convection, heating, and microwave assistance, so explain to family members how power levels and convection settings differ for best results. Use integrated trim kits and cabinet-faced panels to create a continuous look that hides seams and supports cabinetry doors closing flush. Measure cabinet depth and face frame tolerances carefully and leave at least 2 inches behind the appliance for power and ventilation hookups. Plan ventilation with a qualified installer because under-counter microwave drawers still need clearance for airflow and exhaust. Follow the manufacturer installation guide for minimum clearances and use a dedicated circuit when required to prevent nuisance trips. Add child safety locks either built into the unit or as aftermarket latches on surrounding cabinetry to prevent unsupervised access. Teach all household members the lock procedure and store manuals and keys in a central place. Finally, stage the workflow by placing the drawer near prep and storage zones so plated food moves from oven to countertop or table with minimal steps and clear sightlines for supervising multiple cooks. 3 common mistakes are choosing a unit without checking cabinet depth and electrical requirements, which causes costly retrofits, selecting a non-vented installation in a space that needs active airflow, which leads to overheating and shortened appliance life, and putting the drawer at an awkward height that forces bending or stretching, which undermines ergonomic benefits. Measure and confirm both cabinet interior depth and the location of power and gas lines before ordering, and involve a cabinet maker early to adjust face frames. Always verify ventilation options with the appliance manual, and, if necessary, plan for ducting or additional clearances to allow heat to escape. Mock up the proposed height with a box or temporary platform so users of different heights can test reach before you finalize cabinetry. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners discover local contractors and gather ideas for kitchen layouts like microwave drawers and under-counter speed ovens. Our site connects contractors seeking work with homeowners and hosts a discussion community where people share lessons, photos, and practical tips for family-friendly kitchen projects.